Hello everyone, welcome to our vlog. So today,
Nico, what color
share
would you
namin
pick?
itong video and pictures namin.
There?
And we visited the Prince Edward
Saan?
Island. Ito ang Belfast Tulips Fields. So guys, ang ganda dito. Makita nyo naman yung video namin. Share namin yung naging experience namin and the memories we have shared here. So, thank you for watching guys. Enjoy the video. Bye! Hawak mo nga yun, Nico.
Sige pa, atras pa kayo dun. Oh, listen. Nico, ate.
Nasira na isang yelo. Oh.
Nico, hawak mo to, ah. Hawak mo muna. Oh, sige na, go. Tada!